So, you've heard some exciting things about Litecoin. Want to know more and wish to hear Litecoin price prediction? Well, you've come to the right place. Sit back, relax, and let me tell you everything you need to know about the Litecoin price prediction for this year and beyond. Litecoin price is hovering above two critical demand zones that could propel the coin to new yearly highs. A breach of the supply zone's upper boundary at $317.09 will provide further confirmation of an upswing. The bearish scenario will come into play if LTC bears pierce the $210.77 level. Litecoin price is retracing toward a critical level that could serve as a platform supporting a massive bull rally. Litecoin price has shrunk nearly 30% since April 17, and now finds itself at the bottom of the immediate demand barrier that ranges from $240.01 to $259.94. Now, a bounce from this area where buyers are concentrated could provide LTC a thrust to move higher. In case the sellers break down this level, investors could scoop up Litecoin at a discount around the subsequent demand zone that extends from $219.05 to $228.09. A potential spike in bid orders that pushes Litecoin price above the two demand zones will confirm the start of an upswing. Under such conditions, LTC could surge 20% toward the upper barrier of the supply zone at $317.09. A decisive close above this level will provide bulls with a path of least resistance that could push Litecoin price toward 181.8% Fibonacci extension at $439.41.
Litecoin. Just like Bitcoin, it's a cryptocurrency that runs across a decentralized peer-to-peer network. It allows users to make and receive payments securely and anonymously without going through a third party like a bank or a government. It was created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, who said he intended it to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold. And to that end, there are more Litecoins than there are Bitcoins, much like there's more silver than gold. Litecoin's supply is capped at 84 million coins. That's 4 times the maximum number of Bitcoin, and there are already 55 million Litecoins in circulation compared to 17 million Bitcoins. Litecoin transactions are also faster and cheaper than Bitcoin's because it uses a simpler algorithm known as script. This makes it much easier for computers in the Litecoin network to verify transactions. So how exactly does Litecoin work? Well, it's like Bitcoin. All transactions are recorded in a transparent public ledger known as the blockchain, where each block contains a list of previously verified transactions. Anonymity is maintained by using wallet addresses rather than individuals' names. Coins are sent between these wallets and often stored within them. Each computer keeps its own copy of the blockchain so that it cannot be altered without the agreement of the majority of the computers in the network. Pending transactions enter a pool and aren't finalized until they've been added to the blockchain. First, computers must check pending transactions against the historical record and collate legitimate transactions into a new block. This block is then verified through a process known as mining, where computers compete to solve a complex mathematical problem. The winning computer provides a proof that their block is valid, and other computers use this proof to verify the block and update their version of the ledger. The winning computer is then rewarded with some freshly mined Litecoins, in addition to the transaction fees from the user network. Litecoin is very volatile, so there are plenty of opportunities for shrewd traders to take advantages of price movements.
Supporting this bullish narrative is the addition of 12 new whales to the demographic that holds between 10,000 to 100,000 LTC. This 2.8% increase suggests that high net worth investors are confident in Litecoin's performance in the near future. Corroborating the above is the reset in Sentiment's 30-day MVRV model for Litecoin price from 29.4% to near zero. This move indicates that profit-taking is coming to an end. Moreover, the MVRV metric suggests that a move below the zero level paints a picture that LTC is undervalued as an investment vehicle. Based on Into the Block's global in/out of the money (GIOM) model, Litecoin price will face two clusters of underwater investors that may hamper the upswing. Roughly 163,000 addresses that purchased nearly 3.71 million LTC at an average price of $258.06 are out of the money. The same can be said for 255,000 addresses that acquired 4.69 million tokens. Hence, investors need to keep a close eye on these. While things seem to be looking up for Litecoin price, a break below $210.77 will put the bullish scenario to an end. If this were to happen, LTC might slide 8% to the subsequent demand barrier at $204.92 or $192.22.